The internet. It's a wonderful place.
Hey, get out of here, Will. Get out of here.
This is another article.
Get out of here, dude. Robotic finger covered in living human skin. The skin can realistically bend, stretch, and wrinkle as the finger curls and extends.
They gotta make it so.
That's disgusting, Will. Far as I'm concerned. You're
phallic.
This is disgusting. You've disgusted me. Oh, it's actually flicking that little dot.
Yes,
What is that? Dippin' Dots?
it is. Yes.
Wonder how long it takes to melt. Yeah, it's definitely gross. What are they doing with it? I presume trying to engineer artificial limbs or skin. Roboticists from the University of Tokyo have taken a tiny step toward creating the Terminator, built an articulated robot finger, seamlessly covered in living human skin. Many reasons why our current attempts to build humanoid robots with lifelike appearances always seem to end up somewhere in the uncanny valley. Well, you need real skin, obviously, and the way that it moves. So you're going to get skin on your robots now, Mo. Never mind your furry thing you have going on.
Right, okay.
You can have skin on your robots and just ditch the your costumes.
Okay.
Oh, God. So what else can you tell me about this, Will? Yeah.
Rubber and silicone don't move, bend, wrinkle, or even respond to the light the same way human skin does. So I guess that's why they want to use it, because it just simulates like a better movement with
A better skin.
a robotic armature, I guess.
Yeah, so you're talking about putting skin on the robots.
Live skin, that's creepy.
Is that what you want to do?
No, it's not my cup of tea.
Right.
But I'm guessing for them, they would like to have it as a challenge to maybe have like a real cyborg one day.
You're talking about the University of Tokyo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, that's complicated stuff. Look at this.
But just don't take it from real humans, you know?
No, they're not taking it from. Don't worry about that. The researchers took an entirely different approach, a relatively simple robotic finger with 3 moving joints submerged in a solution made up of collagen, structural protein, dermal fibroblasts, the primary type of human cells found in skin's connective tissue, and its subsurface dermis layer. The solution shrank and tightly conformed itself to the robotic finger, creating a flexible foundation on which to apply multiple layers of epidermal keratinocytes, the primary type of human cells found in skin's outer epidermis layer.
Keratin. That's what, nails? Whoa.
Yeah, human stuff. It's a gummy bear. That's right. Don't eat it. I think it's too special to be eaten.